I'm at Oxford House. We're almost finishing the house, and I would like to show you how it looks now. I got this door for more than 60% off. The people at the construction store, they start to know me, and I always say, hey, do you have anything on clearance that I'm interested in? So the only problem was with this door, the screws was a little bit apart. My helper hammered a little bit and fixed it up in a few minutes. I really love this door. The ceiling fan is the old one. It took me around 2 hours to clean one of the ceiling fan. I put in brand new windows because before it was torn windows. And in the living room, I keep the old floor because I replaced it just a few years ago, and I said it will go still for a few more years, hopefully. About the paint, I got the paint 5 gallons bucket for $30 or $35. So I'm really good on saving money. I put a brand new hardwood floor in most of the house. I keep the old kitchen cabins. I just paid someone to paint it, $200 to paint and fix up where it needs it. I decided to add those black knob door because I love the mixture between black and white. So instead of spending over $1,000 on the kitchen cabins, I decided to spend it on backsplash. I find it so beautiful, so royal. One person told me I dress like a royal person, so it matched my personality. I also got this granite countertop. I do love the look. This faucet, black. And this fridge, I got it a couple of years ago, and I keep it. The only problem is that the old renter broke up the parts, so I have to replace it. I have to order and put brand new one. This stove, I got it for more than 60% off. I got it also for less than 50% off. So I'll show you, this is the first bedroom. The second bedroom. I decided to let this little cabin, the old one, and just paint it. I bought a brand new sink because the old one, it was an ugly one and I did not like it. The tile on the floor was covered with some ugly plastic. I said, wow, how can someone cover such a beautiful tile? And I decided to try to buy a tile looking quite the same color. And I also decided to put 2 shampoo for conditioner. Usually I was putting only one, and all these people needs more room to put their stuff. This is the last bedroom. What I did in this house, I removed a lot of nails. My hands was full with nails. Probably if I put one more time, it will be more nails. I never seen a house with so many nails on the walls. So this was one of my jobs. Then I had to put mud on the holes, and then I had to sand it. I painted. I did a lot of cleaning. This is my workout. So I hope you enjoy my video, and I will see you next time.